Hello, welcome to CIS 101 Packet Tracer Video 4.2.5.2 TCP Session Establishment and Termination. Me first, I always like to get this down out of the way. This is Dustin Burrell, by the way. Sometimes I forget to mention my name. Okay, first thing we want to do, before we run simulation mode, enter the correct address it requests you to do. I do not want to do that. There we go. Let's move this guy over here a little bit. 192.168.1.2. Enter that into the URL right here. 192.168.1.2. Go. Okay. Now we got that set up before simulation mode. Actually, I have to reset my simulation mode. That wasn't supposed to be in simulation mode yet. There we go. Did you see how I had the two boxes up? Well, technically I want to go in, put the address in, then hit simulation mode, then come back up here, go to this, hit go, then we get our two addresses pulling up, the two TCP addresses. Now before I even hit capture forward, let's just check this out. Number 4 is saying, hello, I would like to send this in and connect with you. I'm not going to hit auto capture play because I want to dissect this with you guys. Hit capture forward. In this box, you will see what has happened already. You got your fourth right here, and in the layers. The device receives a TCP SYN segment on the server port 80. The device sends the connection rate state to the SYN has been received. But let's check out what's happened to our sequence number and ACK number. This is saying that yes, this is the first request on your out PDUs. ACK is all saying, okay, I got it. Let's capture forward a little further. Alright, now we got the HTTP coming up. This is always going to tell you what it does. The device receives a TCP SYN plus ACK segment on the connection to 192.168.12 on port 80. Now you know it's been established. That's important to know too. Also, I want to show you inside here. Sequence number is the same. ACK number is now number 1 instead of 0, meaning that it was established. Sequence number has acknowledged it. Acknowledged number already did acknowledge this. Let's capture forward a little further. And basically what you're doing is just checking every time what's going on here. You go here. Being established, that's good. Length is at 20, data length. We're just showing you what happens step by step here. Goes to HTTP, capture forward a little further. Let's check out the box underneath those. Layer 4, the device closes the TCP connection. Now it's closed. The device sets a connection to fin, meaning it is finished. Go down here a little further. Device sends a TCP fin plus ACK segment. The data length is still 20. Let's check out our outbound PDU, see what happens here. See, now you can tell the sequence number is 101, ACK number 392. Totally different from 1 to 0. Meaning that we're actually getting somewhere with this. Okay? Capture forward more. We got 2 boxes to check out here if we want. Why not? Device sends a TCP fin plus ACK segment. Data length is still 20. Let's see if it did anything to our numbers here. Numbers are still the same. Let's check this guy out. Alright. Now you can tell that the device has a connection state to close. Wait, it's trying to close this now. Same numbers, 101, 392, but now we got to check out our outbound PDU to see if they're matching up. Sequence number 392, ACK number 102. That is exactly what we want. Okay. Capture forward a little more. Let's check this out. And you know, guys, I like capture forward because, especially for this kind of project, because it'll just help you dissect every device sets the connection state to closing. It's almost ready to close. That's what we're looking for. Inbound PDU 392, 102, still the same. 102, 392. Excellent. And for our last one, we're going to do one more. Capture forward. Check it out. Closed. That is what we want. The device sets the connection state to closed. Double check one more time on your numbers. 102, 392. And that is pretty much it on the TP session establishment and termination. Just making sure your PDUs on the inbound and outbound are set correctly. Any comments or questions, guys, please let me know. This is Dustin Burrell, CIS 101, Activity 4.2.5.2, Packet Tracer.